Have you ever thought how to produce images like these paper, these brain images? We always see when we are working with medical imaging data, this kind of, especially the neuroimaging data, we always see this kind of brain images in a lot of papers like Nature, Springer, but most of us don't know how to do this. So here's the tutorial how you can produce these images. First, you need to install BrainNet viewer within your MATLAB, and then in MATLAB command window you can write BrainNet. So there will be the pop-up window which is BrainNet viewer. Then you can go to the load file. Here you only need two files. The one is the built-in file by BrainNet viewer, which is the surface file. You can take any surface, but the most common surface is this ICM smooth. And then you should have your own NII extension, which is your NIFT images data. You can This is data which you have processed using softwares like SPM. You just need to upload, and you will see then there will be the pop-up window of the options where you can choose which kind of view you want to see. This is the most used view for this kind of images. Then you can go to the volume option where you can adjust your values. You can select both positive and negative, or only positive or only negative, and adjust your values based on your own data size. That we all already know that how from which value our data is started or ended, and you can adjust your colors, everything in the BrainNet viewer. So even you can create your own color mapping files for the better visualization of your results. And then you just need to apply. So press OK. So it will take little time, and then the results is appear. This kind of image is called brain mapping images. The most used tool is BrainNet viewer to produce this kind of images, and these are like highly used for the research paper which are related to brain. So hope you like this video. If you want more like this, please tell in the comments. I will try to upload. You can save this image what name you want. You can also change the resolution of this image.